For lesson 5, we talked about gamification because kids are using games for more than just entertainment nowadays. On average, kids spend 587 hours per year playing video games. And we asked, how can my learners benefit from games in the classroom? Playing games is much more fun than listening to a boring lecture. Why take notes when you can tell your device what you want to remember? And students are more engaged when games are being played. Reasons to integrate technology into the classroom. If used correctly, mobile devices and the technology they support will help prepare students for their future career. Integrating technology into the classroom is an effective way to connect with students of all learning styles. It gives students the opportunity to enhance their interaction with their peers by encouraging collaboration. And teachers can teach their students how to use technology safely and responsibly in a controlled environment. Integrating technology helps keep kids engaged. When mobile technology is readily available and performing correctly in the classroom, students are able to access the most up-to-date information quicker and easier than ever before. With technology in the classroom, the teacher becomes the encourager, advisor, and coach. Technology helps students be more responsible. Owning your own device or borrowing the school's device gives students the opportunity to improve their decision-making skills, as well as taking ownership of a valuable and oftentimes expensive device. And finally, technology transforms the learning experience. Students have access to an incredible amount of new opportunities, from learning how to code to learning how to better collaborate across teams and with their instructors. Technology empowers students to be more creative and be more connected. And this artifact is from the website iExcel, which I have found to help teach a lesson, teach lessons to my students. So this is what I found. Got second grade math. So we are going to do a skip counting. So we click on the lesson. Okay. And so the instructions, count the baseballs by 5. So there's 5 and 10. Put 10 down here. Click submit, and it lets us know that we got it correct. Count the pieces of sushi by tens. There's 2 of them, so we'll do 20. Hit submit. Count the seashells by tens. We'll do 10, 20, 30. Put 30 here and hit submit. Count the snowflakes by 5s. 5, 10, 15. And 15. Count the bears by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we'd hit 40 here and hit submit. And if we want to go back and do something else, we've got all of this here. We can also do some time. So which clock shows 1:45? This one says 5:40, this one says 1:45. So we're going to click on that one, hit submit. Which clock shows 4:30? This one says 5:30, this one shows 4:30. So we'll click the 4:30 and hit submit. Which clock shows 7:30? This one shows 7 o'clock, this one shows 7:30. So we're going to click that one and hit submit. So this is a great site. We can use a lot of technology, ton of math, times, using measurement data and graphs. So depending on what we have time for, we can open anything on here, do some stuff on here, figure out what we need to work on, where we're struggling. So this one is a little more difficult. The clocks show 3 things Shane did Wednesday night. Listened to music at 9 o'clock, talked on the phone at 7 o'clock, and ate dinner at 8 o'clock. Which did Shane do earliest? Well, we've got 9, 7, and 8. So talked on the phone is what they did earliest. So it tells us when we do things correctly. So that is our little example of gamification and how we can use it in second grade and how my students can benefit from doing gamification.